You can create a personal course for your unique goal easily in a single click. All you have to do is go to the main page, write down your goal, and get a curriculum aligned with the question. Once you click the Start Learning button, the course will automatically be created with all topics. AI creates a step-by-step plan to achieve the goal. For each tutorial, we collect the best videos from YouTube on this topic. You can change them and select the most interesting. You can also create personal bookmarks with expanders and summarize the content. If you don't get something, you can literally ask the video. AI will analyze the content of this video and explain everything you want. So why wait? Get started with your own AI course today and get closer to your career goal.